Mother Nature by Emily Dickinson. Read for LibriVox.org by David Lawrence. Nature, the gentlest mother, impatient of no child, the feeblest or the waywardest, her admonition mild, in forest and the hill by travelers heard, restraining rampant squirrel or too impetuous bird. How fair her conversation, a summer afternoon, her household, her assembly, and when the sun goes down, her voice among the aisles incites the timid prayer of the minutest cricket, the most unworthy flower. When all the children sleep, she turns as long away as will suffice to light her lamps. Then, bending from the sky, with infinite affection and infiniter care, her golden finger on her lip wills silence everywhere. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain. Mother Nature by George MacDonald. Read for LibriVox.org by David Lawrence. Beautiful mother is busy all day, so busy she neither can sing nor say. But lovely thoughts in a ceaseless flow through her eyes and her ears and her bosom go. Motion, sight, and sound and scent, weaving a royal rich content. When night is come and her children sleep, beautiful mother her watch doth keep. With glowing stars in her dusky hair, down she sits to her music rare, and her instrument that never fails is the hearts and the throats of her nightingales. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.